This is Dr. Ron Levine. I'm often asked to help people with spine pain or other health problems that result from spending too much time sitting in a chair. The chair is one of the human advances with terrible side effects. Too much sitting in a chair gives you back pain, leads to bone and muscle loss, makes your joints stiff, predisposes you to heart disease, and speeds cognitive decline. Meanwhile, children sit on the floor with ease, using a number of different postures, and adults in non-Western cultures with few chairs, they do the same. You can regain your youthful flexibility by practicing the 4 non-chair sitting postures that I'm about to show you. Practice each of them every day, at least for 15 or 30 seconds. They may be uncomfortable at first, but gradually you'll come to enjoy them. Start with squatting. If that's hard for you to do, start by holding on to a doorknob or chair and just lower yourself as far as you can go. Next, shift to the kneeling position. If this is hard for you to do, use a cushion in between the back of your heels and your buttocks. Next, you'll switch to the open-legged sitting. If this is hard for you to do, try sitting on a rolled-up towel or a small cushion. And for the cross-legged sitting position, you can also use a rolled-up towel or small cushion. Any questions? Here's my email address, and here's my phone number.